Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules with coconut oil on hair. This guide will show you how to prepare and apply this nourishing treatment for healthier, shinier locks. We'll cover everything from mixing the ingredients to the best application techniques and how often you should use it. Get ready to transform your hair with this simple, natural remedy. To prepare your hair mask, start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules and 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. Carefully puncture the vitamin E capsules with a clean pin and squeeze the oil into a small, clean bowl. Then, add the coconut oil to the bowl. Mix these 2 ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth, consistent blend. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content. Speaking of simple paths, a quick recommendation for a book that can truly change how you think about money is *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It offers clear, actionable advice. You can find the link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's apply the treatment. Begin by gently massaging the mixture into your scalp using your fingertips for about 5 minutes. This helps stimulate blood circulation. Next, apply the remaining oil evenly from the roots to the tips of your hair strands, ensuring full coverage. Leave the treatment on for at least 30 minutes, or for best results, you can leave it on overnight. After the treatment has had time to work, it's time to rinse. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the oil is completely removed. You might need to shampoo your hair twice to ensure no residue remains, then follow with your regular conditioner. For optimal hair health and shine, repeat this beneficial treatment 1 to 2 times per week consistently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.